The 2020 Toyota CHR-GR Sport. Toyota's range of performance-spec models under the GRMN family has a new member in the fold. The CHR-GR Sport, which Toyota first unveiled in October in Japan, is heading to the global market packing enough sporty bits to qualify as a GR Sport model. The upgrades are mostly cosmetic in nature, but Toyota also worked on improving several of the crossover's technical elements. Considering that GR Sport is the entry-level line of Toyota's growing performance-spec lineup, the GR sits in the middle and the GRMN rules the roost. The CHR-GR Sport is both a walking advertisement of what you can expect from future GR Sport models and a good example on the kind of performance potential that the CHR has. What's the three-tier hierarchy of Toyota's performance-spec line? Toyota's performance car hierarchy comes in three tiers. The entry-level tier is the GR Sport. This is the line where the CHR-GR Sport belongs. Earlier this year, Toyota released the Corolla GR Sport, a sharper styled version of the popular compact sedan. Right above the GR Sport tier is the GR trim. The Supra and the Yaris have already been given the GR treatment. This involves cosmetic, aerodynamic, and performance upgrades, the latter of which applied at a modest level. Then there's the top-of-the-line GRMN tier. This is where Toyota's performance arm, Gazoo Racing, goes all out with comprehensive upgrades across all sections of a particular model. Toyota released the Yaris GRMN a few years ago with incredible upgrades that helped the otherwise dull hatchback benefit from a 1.8-liter supercharged engine that produced a whopping 209 horsepower. More recently, spy photographers captured a hardcore version of the Toyota GR Yaris running roughshod at the Nürburgring, suggesting that a follow-up version is in the works. What's included in the Toyota CHR-GR Sport? What you can expect is an appearance package, and a significant one at that. Take the color options, for example. There are 9 different colors to choose from, including a new dynamic gray paint that comes with a black roof. The combination doesn't scream for attention, but it works in a more subtle way. Piano black accents are scattered all over the body of the C-Hour. The bumper, fog lamp surrounds, and the front grille are all dressed in piano black. The door molding inserts on the side of the crossover are also finished in black, as do the reflector surrounds in the rear. On the side of improved pieces, the CHR now comes with a more aggressive front spoiler, a bespoke under-bumper trim garnish, and a new set of 19-inch alloy wheels that are exclusive to the crossover's GR Sport trim. Toyota also worked on improving the interior of the CHR-GR Sport. Would-be buyers have the option to choose between an Alcantara-trimmed leather or all-fabric seat upholstery to complement the new cool silver interior finish. Either option will come with a GR-inspired red and gray stitching. Similar red stitching serves as suitable accents to the wheel rim and the gear lever gaiter. The interior also hosts enough branding that'll properly identify the CHR-GR Sport as more than your typical crossover. Model-unique scuff plates, a GR Start/Stop button, GR Sport logos, and a GR Startup animation that'll light up when you turn on the crossover's digital display screen will remind you of the true identity of this particular C-Hour. What should we expect from the CHR-GR Sport's performance capabilities? The Toyota CHR-GR Sport does not come with any engine upgrades. The crossover's 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine produces 122 horsepower and 104 pound-feet of torque. It's not the most powerful crossover in the business by any means, so don't expect to win any drag races with this model. That said, Toyota and Gazoo Racing did tweak some parts of the CHR-GR Sport that'll certainly improve the crossover's driving experience. Upgrading the CHR's steering tuning and suspension system became points of emphasis for the CHR-GR Sport. These improvements don't make the CHR faster, but you are going to enjoy driving them around more than you would a standard model. What comes standard in the Toyota CHR-GR Sport? Heated front seats, LED headlights, tinted windows, electric mirrors, heated front seats, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support all come standard in the CHR-GR Sport. In the event that you want more, you can avail of options that include a JBL sound system with 9 speakers. How much does the Toyota CHR-GR Sport cost? Toyota didn't announce pricing details for the CHR-GR Sport, but it did say that the crossover goes on sale beginning in January 2021. Expect Toyota to release pricing information before then. In the absence of a specific price, it's best to compare it to traditional versions of the crossover. In that case, the entry-level LA has a base price of $21,295 while the XLE costs $23,330. The Limited tops the range with a starting price of $26,350. Final thoughts. Some people will look at the Toyota CHR-GR Sport and scoff at the lengths that Toyota will go to just so it can create performance versions of models that probably don't deserve performance versions. They'll tell you that the CHR is an entry-level car for a reason. Adding upgrades to it will look like Toyota forcing certain issues that it probably has no business doing. That's fair, but it's also not what I think when I see the CHR-GR Sport. That's the important thing to remember. Not all upgrades are created equal, and they're certainly not when it comes to an entry-level model like the C-Hour. But Toyota provided what the crossover needed in terms of driving improvements. Love it. Looks more aggressive. GR Sport branding adds appeal. Those wheels are nice. Leave it. No engine upgrades. No word on US availability. Does it really deserve the GR Sport label?
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.